Hi, Wade Myers. This is my audience. Broken fingers make up about 10% of fractures, and the finger bones are named according to where they're at on the hand. The main cause of broken fingers is traumatic injury, and it usually occurs from playing sports, accidents in the workplace, intentionally punching something, falls, and other accidents. The main symptoms of broken fingers are immediate pain and sometimes a deformed finger, especially if it doesn't heal right and it's not set. If the trauma is severe, broken bones may be exposed. You have to watch out for pain or swelling, which limits the motion of the fingers. If the finger becomes numb, or if the injury includes a laceration, crushed tissue, or exposed bone, seek medical care immediately. A doctor can diagnose your broken finger, usually with an X-ray device. Treatment of broken fingers depends on the type of fracture and the particular bone of the finger that's injured. Hairline fractures take longer to heal. Complications of broken fingers can include joint stiffness, rotation problems, non-union, and infection. After reduction, the swelling goes down. 4 to 6 weeks of healing will happen after that, and it's usually with a splint on your finger. The best medicine for prevention of finger fracture is safety. Prevention is the best cure. If you think you have a broken finger, if you think it is a minor injury, think again. Without proper treatment, a fractured finger can cause major problems. The bones in a normal finger and your hand line up precisely. They let you perform many specialized functions, such as grasping and manipulating small objects. When you fracture a finger bone, it can cause your whole hand to be out of alignment. Without treatment, your broken fingers might stay stiff or painful and grow deformed or heal deformed back into that wrong position. Your hand contains about 27 bones, and 8 is in your carpals and your palms. It contain about 5, and then 14 bones in your fingers that you can break, called the phalanges. Generally, a fractured finger occurs as a result of an injury to your hand. You can fracture a finger when you slam your fingers in a door or put your hands to break a fall. You can fracture a finger during a ball game if the ball jams your finger. Carelessness when working with power saws, drills, and other tools can result in fractured fingers. You have to watch out for tenderness after you fracture and bruising at the site, inability to move the injured finger completely, and deformity. If you think you fractured your finger, immediately tell your doctor exactly what happened, when it happened. Your doctor must determine not only which bone you fractured, but also how the bone broke. Bones can break in several ways. They can break straight across the bone or in spirals into several pieces, or shatter completely if the trauma is bad enough. Your doctor may want to see how your fingers line up when you extend your hand or make a fist, and does any finger overlap the neighbor? Does the injured finger angle the wrong direction? Does the injured finger look too short? It'll take an X-ray to determine. Your doctor will put your broken bone back into place, usually without surgery, if it's not too bad. And your splint or cast will hold your finger straight and protect it from further injury while it heals. Sometimes they can splint the fingers next to the fractured one to provide additional support. They'll tell you how long you need to wear it, and usually it's worn for about 3 weeks. Depending on the type and severity of the fracture, you may need surgery to have pins, screws, or wire put in place to hold your fractured bones together. And that's the important parts of, fracturing a finger. Also, we have a fractured finger over here to look at. And the splint Thank you.